Hi everybody, it's Miss Boyer here. I have literally spent all day trying to make this video recording and upload it. So I'm trying one more time and then I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm so frustrated with it. But anyway, so here's what's happening. I would like you to go in. So today I want you to watch this YouTube because what I noticed from a lot of your themes was they were not universal. And this it kind of explains that they need to be about me, you, and the zombie, everybody. Everybody needs to be able to understand the theme. So it can't be specifically about Trevor Noah. And that's what I saw from a lot of you. So I'm going to go back here to the PowerPoint that I sent you. I'm going to look at it quickly. Okay, so again, you are finding a message in Born a Crime. Why did Trevor Noah write Born a Crime? And there's many possible messages. And a theme and a thesis are basically the same thing. So you're going to look through your quotes and just see what you see. All right, so everybody got topic right, one word, and you had really good topics. Now the theme part is a little more complicated. So you are looking at the topic and then you're making a complete thought about that topic. And then the thesis statement is simply, it's just the placement in your paper. That's everything is going to be proving that that's Trevor Noah's message. Okay, so these are basically interchangeable. All right, lots of topics here, if you're still there. And then themes, so you need to make sure you're universal. And that's the mistake that I saw of people. They put Trevor Noah's name in instead of people. So if you did that, just substitute people. And you want to say the what, the topic, and then how or why about the topic. So if your topic is love, love can be painful, how or why when it is not returned and cause damage to your self-esteem. So it is one complete sentence and it can't be oversimplified though. So you can go through and do this. The genre just means, so our genre is memoir. So the memoir, Born a Crime by Trevor Noah reflects upon love and reveals that love can be painful and damaging to your self-esteem. Okay, if you want to use that, you certainly can. That's there to help you. I didn't see anybody using I's or I think's. Awesome. I didn't see any cliches either, so that's also awesome. Just this one was the big one. Substitute Trevor Noah's name for people. All right, I'm going to skip this slide. And then just a reminder, when you go to write your paper, you're going to introduce your quote, then cite the source, and then explain it. All right, so here's a couple of other things to think about. I saw really good themes again. So make sure to do the assignment for today, which is in here, this assignment. And then this is due tomorrow at midnight. This is the big outline for your paper. So again, this just needs to be basic, just one sentence in each of these parts. And then your quotes go in the body paragraphs. And you don't have to necessarily have 6 body paragraphs. If you go back to Monday, it tells you, I think I put it in today's folder too, but it tells you, it gives you the rubric. So if you don't want to have that many quotes, so make sure you go back and look at this. So organization, body paragraphs begin with strong topic sentences, paragraphs. So it does not say how many body paragraphs you have to have, but let's see. It says 4 to 5 double-spaced pages, 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then 6 to 8 quotes. So you should have 6 body paragraphs. All right. Please email me with questions. I hope you're doing well and being safe. Take care. Bye.